Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel ProBuild. Today we'll be seeing how to make this dovetail stop guide in Creo parametric 7.0. See, this is one kind of mechanical part. So here you can see that. So they have given third angle projection orthographic drawing. So from which you can find this is top view and followed by front and side view. So I'm going to start my diagram from this side view, because you can find this is the base part. So from this only we can able to just develop the part. Okay, so I'm going to start with this side view, and all the data related to this base part is given here. So first I will select the right side view and go for extrude, select 2D plane, and now we can see that this is the line which is extended to 50. This is in symmetric, and here you can find 35, and this extension is something like 15. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line. So before which I need to make it symmetric, so go for a center line, choose this constraint, make it symmetric, and here I'm going to put as 50. Now I'm going to draw a line of 35 and 15. So go for a line, so this is 35 and this is 15. Now here you can find it is connected, so I'm going to draw a line straight away connecting this point. So ensure that this is 45, yes, this 15, 35 and 50. So I'm going to extrude this for 50. Make it symmetric, go for 50, and now you can find here a round of R4. So go for round, so touch this edge, change this to 4 radius, click OK. So my base part is ready. Now I'm going for this hexagonal shaft. So hexagonal shaft data is given here. You can find the size of the hexagon, it is 25, and its orientation is given from this side, it is 25, from here it is 25, which means that it is center to this part. You can find this point. Okay, so I'm going to select this surface, go for extrude, and make this line as a reference. Now I'm going to draw my profile, something like here. So before which I need to go up with circle. So I'm going to draw a circle of radius 30 and say Y, and go for a line, make hexagonal shape, and go for equal and change this equal as possible. Okay. Now click this line, right click, change this to construction, so that this becomes loop, closed loop. Now for extrusion, you can find from this surface it is actually extruding to 15, and in down you can find it is 35 plus 22. So now I'm going for different option for this extrusion. So my first depth is going to be my blind, and this is 15, and my second depth I'm going to choose blind, so for which I'm going to enter 35 plus 22. so it extrudes accordingly. Now click apply. I need to go up with a C bore and also 6 standard holes, and here you can find one this is also one kind of standard hole, and here they have given one draft angle, draft slot. So I'm going to select this surface. So let me finish this draft slot and go for hidden line, switch off the plane just before make this reference for symmetry purpose. And now switch off the plane, make this edge also reference. Now here you can find one line, this point to this point is actually 32 and this is 9 obviously, and this is this height is 7.5 and it is offsetted at an angle of 78 degree. So I'm going to draw a plain line here and make this 7.5 as stated. So go for center line, symmetry constraint, make this constraint. So keep this in big dimension. Now I need to put up, actually this is 9 and overall it is 50, so it is 50 minus 18, because you can find from here it is 9 and from here it is 9, so overall is 50. So 50 minus 9 plus 9, it's 18. So 50 minus 18, 32. Now I'm going to draw a line, make this mirror, change this to 78 degree and ensure that it is of 32 distance. So 78 degree, 78, and check it is 32. It must be 32. So I'm going to make this weaker dimension. Now go for dimension and make this 32. Okay. Now let's close the profile. So it is removing all the way down. Go for this to selected method and remove the material. So except all, everything is ready. Now I'm going for this counter bore. So you can find that the counter bore value, these data are given. The major diameter of dia 12 and its depth is actually 2, and this minor dia is dia 8 and it is going through all the hexagon all the way down. So I'm going for hole, switch on the plane and touch this surface so that the hole gets plotted. Now I'm going to place this clip to this plane to make it align. So go for placement, make align first, so check whether it is aligned. Okay, now simple standard, change to C bore option, and in shape I'm going to change this as 8, this as 12, and this as 2, and this one up to the selected surface. So my selected surface is going to be this. So you can find the C bore here. It's quite simple, right? Now I'm going to plot a hole in sideways, so you can find it as 17.5 from this base, and x-axis is not given. I'm going to assume it, and you can find it as m4 into 0.76h. Go for this hole and go to standard. This is actually m4 into 0.7, go for M4 into 0.7, and from here, from this surface and from the bottom surface. So from bottom surface it is given as a 17. Yes, from here it is given 17.5, so change to 17.5. From here I'm going to make as 3, and this is going up to this surface, so I'm going to select 50 here, so that it makes hole on the other side too. Switch off this for making, for just disabling that annotation. Now I'm going to make final 6 pattern hole. So its standard is given, that is M2.3 into 0.45, and its depth is actually 4, 6 places. I'm going to select this surface, go for a hole, M2.3 into 0.45, sorry 0.45, go for standard, M2.3 into 0.45. So align to this area and align to this area, and this one I can make a line. So 4.21 is going to be aligned with this plane, and for this I'm going to put this hole PCD is not given actually, so let me presume it. So from here you can find it is 25, so I can go take this clip, I'm going to place it here, so from this surface it is 25. That I'm going to create one plane, so select this date and this surface and click OK for creating the plane, and switch on this for enabling that action, and go for this and touch this plane. Make sure it is getting placed. Okay, it is not. Here this is 12.5, because half of 25 is 12.5, so, and its depth you can find here as 4, you can this to 4, shape. Now hit this hole, go for pattern, axis pattern, select this axis, change your number of items as 6, and click this icon for making it around 360 degrees, and click OK for making it round. Now you can find here round, this is R6 and this is R2, so go for round, change this to 2 radius, select all the surface, all the edges, and my part is completely ready. Now go for view, change accordingly. So I'm taking this color, go for part, select metal peak. So my part is ready. Switch off the screen display and that's it. So thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel, and further many complex drawings will be discussed in my YouTube channel. So please kindly watch it. So guys, thank you.